Mary Seacole was a courageous woman who took great risks to help others. She was heroic, adventurous, and kind. She was an entrepreneur and a traveller at a time when women were not expected to think for themselves. Mary was born in Jamaica in 1805. From her childhood onwards, she devoted herself to caring for the sick. Her lifetime saw the beginning and the development of modern medicine. When Mary grew up, there was no formal education for nurses, and women could not enter medical school to become doctors. In 1853, the Crimean War began. It was a terrible war, with thousands killed and thousands dying in awful conditions of cold, hunger, and disease. When Mary Seacole heard of the suffering, she travelled from Jamaica to England. She was determined to help, but everyone refused her offers to serve. This did not stop the brave adventuress. She went where she was needed the most, directly to the Crimean War. At the small fishing village of Balaclava, she opened a hotel that provided healthcare and food to the soldiers, just 2 miles away from the site of the major battle of the war, the siege of the city of Sevastopol. The grateful soldiers named her their Black Nightingale. The historical novel Black Nightingale imagines Mary Seacole's experiences as she nurses the soldiers of the Crimean War. Accompany this amazing woman on her heroic and extraordinary journey.